If you're thinking how to decorate your home on budget, then this video is exactly for you because I'm gonna walk you through various different tips and tricks on which you can decorate your home on budget. If you are interested in that, and keep on watching this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Parshvika. This channel is my articulately brand page channel where we make highly beautiful and affordable art for decorating your home on budget. So if you want to check our store, I'm putting the link of our store in the description box below. You can check it out and you can get a highly affordable and beautiful good looking artwork for decorating your home on budget. So now let's move on to our main part of the video. So there are the many ways in which you can decorate your home, but then few are very expensive ways and few are medium and few are on a budget. Like we have especially a very lower budget, like few bucks or few $100s, and we are thinking of decorating our home, and then we need to find all those tips and tricks. So I'm going to share a few of the things that are really on budget and will really going to add a great add-on to your room and home. It will going to give immense value to your home and room. It will going to help you a lot in making your home look more good. And so first thing that I have for you is wall hanging. Now obviously we don't need to leave our wall like that. At the back you can see that I have one wall hanging that is art. So the art can add a great beauty to your room, great beauty to your room and your home. But now you are thinking that the art is not cheap, it's costly and it's not on budget, so you need to pay 100,000. Tell you guys that we have on our store highly beautiful, highly affordable art that you can get it right now. And you can just decorate your home, decorate your wall with that art. So I'm putting the link of our store in the description box below. You can check it out. You can get that highly affordable quality artwork for decorating your wall and room and all about it. So you don't need an expensive artwork to decorate your walls, and your art will going to also work as a focal point for your room. So keep that thing in mind, and you don't need to go for the expensive art, and you can get a high quality affordable art from your home, from your room and from your store. Moving on to the second tip that I have for you is what's there in your garage. Like if you have any wooden carvings or iron holders or any type of thing that you have in your garage, like a wooden scrap material or an iron or any metal scrap material, take it out from that garage and try to decorate it. Either just paint that thing again and just use it for decorating your home and room, or either keep it as a shelves for keeping your throw pillows, keeping your throw blankets and like curtains and all that. So all these scrap materials or all the wooden or any metal or anything you have in your garage, take it out and just scrape all the dust out of it, and then see how you can use it to your room and to your advantage, like best out of ways. I've been like working, I have made the few of the wood materials that was kept in my garage and turned it into some so beautiful wall hangings and all that. So you can also try the one. It's on especially on budget, and especially you are recycling the scrap and you're using it for your advantage for decorating your home. So it's an amazing way to decorate your home with that. Now moving on to the third tip that I have for you is rearrange all the furniture that you have in your room. Suppose if you're decorating your living room and you have your sofa and you have everything over there, so you need to rearrange all the furniture. So it will going to take your home and take your room to a new look. Like if you're rearranging it and you're changing the direction and you're creating more space, or you are utilizing the space that you already have in your room and making it look more beautiful and more different look, and that will going to like give your room a different look, a different style and all that. Obviously we have so many things in our room, in our home, and oftentimes it just kept it like that. So if we tend to rearrange them, if we tend to really going to take some time and rearrange all these things and try to see that whether this new look going to look more professional, more vibrant or more minimalism, whatever style you want to go for, it will definitely going to change the look of your room, your home, and will going to make it more look good and all about it. So consider that thing, because it's especially on budget. You don't need to like buy anything. In fact, you don't need to pay for anything to rearrange all the furniture or all the things that you have in your room. And oftentimes we tend to like think of other external factors to buy those stuffs and all that. We don't try to focus on all the things that we already have at our place. So it's a great tip, and it really will going to help you a lot, especially if you're on budget and decorating your home. Moving on to the fourth tip that I have for you is changing the sofa covers instead of changing the complete sofa. Like suppose if you are having an old sofa and it's looking very old and you think that of like either going for purchasing a new sofa or either buying for something else, either you can just buy the sofa covers different, so it will going to give a new shape, a new color, a new style to your home and room. Really, we often don't we often don't focus on the covers of the pillow covers or even the throw pillows or whatever pillows we have. We often don't try to focus on them. We don't try to focus on the covers, and that will going to really affect a lot, and especially if you're on budget. So it's better to change the sofa cover instead of changing the complete sofa, and see that whether it's creating a new look to your home or room or not. Because changing a sofa cover is on, especially on budget, you don't need to buy an expensive sofa cover or expensive set or something like that. You can go on budget and you can arrange it for yourself, and then can see whether it's changing your room look, or whether it's making it more beautiful and all about it. Now moving on to the last tip. Before moving on to it, guys, if you really enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so whenever we upload more such home interior videos, you'll be get notified about it. So the last tip that I have for you, like changing the beer bottles or even the utensils or the glass jar, like the mason jar or any jar you have at your home, any glass item like the glass beer bottle or the mason jar, or even you have a bottle like even a mason jar or any bottle or anything you have at your place, use that and decorate it with like planting a small plants in that jar or in that bottle, and decorate your home or room with those beer bottles, with those mason jar, with those empty glass jars, and just plant a small plant into that and keep it in your room, keep it in your home, and you will going to see it will going to give a more fresh look, a more vibrant look, and you are recycling or reusing the stuff that you already have at your home. You don't need to buy anything. You just need to get a plant, a small plant, and then just put that plant into that jar or that bottle, and just put it in your living room, in your kitchen, or even if you like the plants in your bedroom, then you can keep them in your bedroom as well, in your balcony, wherever you want to keep it. It will really going to add a great add-on, and it's especially on budget decor tips. So I hope that this video really helps you. Please let me know in the comment section below what type of video you want to watch on this channel, and is it really helpful to you or not. If it does, give it a big thumbs up. If not, give thumbs down, and see you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.